You can now use your Insta360 X4 as a webcam. Here's how. First, make sure you have the latest firmware on the X4. To get the latest firmware, connect the X4 to the mobile app, then go to Settings, Device Firmware Info, and here you can start the update. As you can see, my X4 already has the latest firmware, which at the time of this recording is version 1.2.21. Now connect the camera to your computer with a USB cable. The camera now displays a few options you only get when connected through USB. Tap on webcam mode. And now you have the X4 available as a webcam on your computer. The camera's screen displays a few things in this mode. The top two entries let us know that there are two view modes available. I will show you in a second what that is all about. These are just shown for information purposes and you can't tap or do anything with these. Then you can select the shooting lens. You can pick the front or back lens, and you can also activate the dual view mode, where the webcam image consists of widescreen views of both lenses. Going back, you can also enable face detection here, which will send a reframed view to the computer following your face. Now what about those two different views? The camera announces to the computer that it has two views available, and you can select which one you want to use on your computer. Let me show you inside the extremely popular streaming and recording software OBS. First, you have to add the webcam as a new video capture device source. Then you can right-click and open the source's properties and change the resolution, FPS type, from device default to custom. In the resolution dropdown, you now see the two available views we saw on the camera's screen earlier. The regular 16:9 Full HD output of a single lens called flat view on the camera is an extremely wide-angle 180-degree view. Remember, you can pick the lens from the camera screen. Or the 2x1 2880x1440 resolution, which is the full 360-degree stitched view of the X4. I mounted the X4 above my monitor. This is the Full HD flat view of the front camera facing me, and you get a 180-degree view. And this is the 360-degree view where you can see my entire office. Tell me in the comment section where you are watching from and how you plan on utilizing your X4 as a webcam. Like the video, sub to Crispy Tech for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.